Can you solve this correctly? 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2. Don't answer too fast because 80% of students get this wrong. Let's find out why and what the real answer is. PEMDAS or BODMAS as it's sometimes called is one of the first math rules we learn, but even adults and teachers still argue over this expression. Why? Because the rule is simple, but the interpretation can be tricky. Today, I will show you exactly where people go wrong and how to solve this step by step the right way. Hi, I am Miss Becca and I help you make math click one step at a time. Here is what most people do. When they see a question like this, they solve the parentheses first and say 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then they write 8 divided by 2 bracket 4. But here is where the real problem is. Some people say 8 divided by 2, they say 2 times 4. Since we are using parentheses, multiplication, since we are using PEMDAS, then multiplication before division. So some people say 2 times 4 is 8 and they say 2 divided by 8 equals 1. While others write this as 8 divided by 2 times 4 and they divide first by saying 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Now, which one is correct? Is it 1 or 16? This confusion happens because of how we interpret multiplication by parentheses. That is, writing 2 bracket 4 instead of 2 times 4. Many students think that parentheses mean you must do that multiplication first no matter what. But according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have the same priority. That means you solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Alright, now let's solve this correctly. The first step is to start with parentheses, which is what we have in the bracket here, so that 2 plus 2 gives 4. So now we can write it as 8 divided by 2 bracket 4. The next step is to rewrite it for clarity so that we have something like this: 8 divided by 2. This bracket means multiplication. So this will give 8 divided by 2 times 4. The next step is to solve from left to right so that we have 8 divided by 2, that gives 4, then we have times 4. Now we have just one step left, that is to multiply 4 by 4, and this gives 16. So that means the correct answer is 16 and not 1. So why do some people still think the answer is 1? Because of old calculator formatting and different math notation styles. If you type this in some calculators without brackets, it reads 8 divided by 2 times 4 and gives 16. But if you type it as 8 divided by bracket 2 times 4, it gives 1. The key difference is parentheses placement, and that's where most people go wrong. Now, let's see if you truly understand it. Try this one. Pause this video and solve, then you can play it for the solution. Now let's solve it together. We solve parentheses first, right? Yes, we agree on that. 2 plus 1 gives 3. Then we have 12 divided by 3, then times 3. Then we solve from left to right. That means 12 divided by 3 gives 4. 4 times 3 is what? That's 12. So the correct answer to this question is 12. Do not solve it the wrong way. So now you know why so many people get these PEMDAS questions wrong. It's not the math, it's the misunderstanding of order. Always remember, parentheses first, then multiply or divide from left to right. If you enjoy this breakdown, like this video and share it with someone who always argues about math rules. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to Math with Miss Becca, where we make math simple and fun. See you in the next video.